All right, let's move on to indices. Okay, so we've run into levels here. Nasdaq, recall the low, actually the day of it, and I still have Nasdaq resistance higher. Remember, we had this very long-term chart back to 2014, which we held, right? Everyone thought the world was ending. We held it. And I think resistance is up here between 15,260 and 15,540 or so. But it might be in for a pullback now. At least that's what the other indices suggest in terms of where we are. Daniel asked about Aussie yen. Yeah, that's the one I didn't look at because I don't have as much of an opinion on Aussie yen. But we looked at all the other ones though. I'll look at Aussie yen in a second though. But here, let's get through these indices. All right, so we have reached a level on the S&P, good horizontal zone, 45.50 to 45.95 or so, right here, right? You can see nice highs and lows all between there, where a pullback seems to make sense. And really the first level I'd watch for support, I guess, is 2022 VWAP at 44.01. The Dow, though, is the one that's very interesting to me. So remember this trend, this red line here, right? Good, goes back 9 months, June. Okay, broke it, came back in it. A lot of people, you know, at this point, they get rid of this line because they say it's no longer valid. I disagree. We've been trading around it now, well, I guess all week, really. Yeah, this whole week. We haven't really done anything this week, by the way. Just a bunch of back and fill. We're at resistance from this parallel, so from this fork, and from corrective channel resistance, okay? Parallel, parallel. See what we finished like today. But, you know, if we were to finish somewhere like this, kind of a bearish, you know, candle on a Friday, I don't know. I'm thinking pullback. Your support, initial support level to pay attention to, these former highs here, 30, call it 3,400 or 34,000, excuse me. Right here. So near-term resistance, looking for a pullback. In the case of the Nasdaq, it does seem like more important resistance is higher. Don't forget, okay. We revamped our funded trader program. So go to ScandinavianMarkets.com/getfunded. And that'll take you here. You can read all about it. You get funded with up to $2 million to trade with us, okay, our capital. And we're looking for trading talent. So there's an assessment that needs to be passed, of course, but come check it out. Again, there's no time constraints, unlike some of the other firms that do this. No time constraints. You know, you don't have to make X amount in X amount of time, right? Trading doesn't work like that. And yeah, we are looking for trading talent, so come check us out. Again, ScandinavianMarkets.com/getfunded. Okay.